Nakalak. Nilak.
Guys, it's Wayne and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, this will be another random vlog, but it will be a random vlog kasi sobrang tambak na po ako ng mga vlogs and hindi ko pa po na-upload yung isa. So para mapasok ko agad tong vlog nito, it will be a random vlog and this will be a random this will be random vlog 16 orientation ng senior high life ko sa Don Bosco. So yon, this is day 1 of 2 days of orientation. So today's orientation will be about Bosconian culture and values. So I'll take you guys there. Medyo maulan sa labas because of LPA and shocks. So hinihintay ko na lang maluto yung food. Tapos ma-eat and then maliligo na ako. Tapos bihes para makaalis na kami ng mga 6 o'clock. Kasi traffic, lalo na ngayon tag-ulan. So baka ma-traffic kami papunta Don Bosco. Lalo na't malayo po ang Don Bosco sa amin. Kasi sa ano pa po yun, Mandaluyong. And we're in Pasig. So yan. And I will take you guys sa orientation ko. And I'll see you later. Yon. And update ko kayo guys kung malalate kami o hindi. Pero sana hindi. So yon. And goodbye. Guys. Wait. So ayun guys. Nakapag-prepare na ako. At nakabihis na ako ng uniform namin. Yes. Don Bosco. So magbubook na lang ako ng Grab. At wait namin kung makabook ako. So yon. And I'll see you pag nasa Grab na kami. Yon. Or pag nasa Don Bosco na. Yon. And goodbye. So, ayun guys, nakabook na ako ng Grab at papunta na yung Grab. So, bababa na ako. Titignan ko lang kung ang kuya ko ba ay nasa baba na. Check na. Okay, nasa baba na siya. Kasama pa si Kuya. So, baba na tayo. Yes. Sun kiss. Sun kiss. Alright. So, yun guys, ang ingay ng doggies and I will see you later. Bye. So, ayun guys, nandito na kami sa Don Bosco. Ayan. Pababa na kami sa gymnasium and I will see you later. Pagtapos na ang orientation. So, yun, and goodbye.
I need to know if you'll give me a second chance. That don't come on often, but please, you know I can't stand it. When you don't talk to me, when you don't talk to me. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside.
Hi guys, so nag-break lang kami kasi nga kapahinga naman sa kakaupo dun sa masakit sa puwet na upuan. Ito yung canteen. Ito pala guys, may canteen. Yes. So ito yung isang building. I'm not sure kung anong building. Kaya sa mama ako, bored talaga ako. Can't stop po. Stop, naantok ako guys. Cut ko muna ito. Naantok ako. So ayan yung isang building. Ewan ko kung pumasok lang ako para mag-vlog o para makinig sa orientation. So yun. So I'll see you later. Yun. And goodbye.
See seem to get you off my mind. And I know it's true, and I'll say this to you, I want you back. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it, no, I can't hide it anymore. Something inside, something inside. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you. No, I can't hide it. No, I can't hide it anymore.
So guys, I'ma end the vlog here and di ko na po ipapakita yung lower kasi nakasando lang po ako. Kasi ang press ko po pag nakasando. Pero yun, and I will end the vlog here. I will see you guys tomorrow if mag-vlog ako tomorrow. So yun, and if you like this vlog, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below kung ano pa pong gagawin ko sa next vlog, and kung nag-enjoy din kayo dito sa vlog na to, and subscribe. Ay, of course, sorry, nag-skip na ako. Sakit po talaga kasi na ulo ko. Kanina pa po to sa Don Bosco. So yun, I forgot. Share this to your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!